Welcome to our Adventure Miles. So what do you think about it so far, babe?
I knew you were going to ask me that question. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. It is absolutely amazing. It's everything you see in the pictures, plus so gorgeous.
And we're so looking forward to spending a day and a half here, so yeah, we'll bring you along. All right, well, this is a room for the next 2 days. Actually, nice size. Fan automatic, which is nice. Stand-up shower. Big size bed. I would say that's at least a queen. Nice place to sit. And that's our view. And a little bit of a town. It's a fantastic view. We're the local home, a ton of character. All right, we are just starting out our hike up the mountain to the scenic views. This is where we walked up of. We're going this way. Say hello, Sue. And it should take us about half an hour to get up, and apparently there's some spectacular views that we're gonna see. So we'll bring you spectacular. We'll bring you along. You could take a funicular up, but then you're gonna miss these intermittent views behind me. So we're gonna enjoy the hike up and get the exercise that comes with it. If you are coming up here, we keep being reminded that these properties belong to actual people, residences. So oftentimes you'll see chains like that blocking off areas, just reminding tourists that people do live here and that's their properties up there, so be respectful.
As the stairs are done and we're heading into the serpentine switchbacks.
The nice thing is you're gonna see this beautiful waterfall several times on your way up. And on this side, as Sue says, you get a fantastically beautiful view. Well, come up the top of the stairs, no concrete, a little bit more tough because you're going higher faster. So we're enjoying it. We're getting our exercise. Nice thing is they have benches along the way right here, which I'm going to take advantage of. It's a beautiful shaded hike up, which is quite nice. If I shut my mouth, you'll hear all the birds. Right on cue. Nice place. Take a little break. So now one of the beauty parts is when you do have some of these lookout points, look all the way around, because right behind us is a mine shaft, an old mine shaft. Kaiser Franz Jobst, and there's Sweetie Sue holding the door for me. And it's nice to have a little bit of a history on the mining in Hallstatt. Thank God our accommodations in Vienna was on the 5th floor with 25 steps in between. We got our steps in and we definitely needed it. Well, regrettably, the trail is closed to go down to the viewpoint. We're gonna have to end up going back, but we did go a little bit cross country, called it those adventure miles again. The trail was pretty rugged, you can see behind me. And where Sue is going now, it's pretty rugged, but it was fun. It was a good adventure. We're heading back now. I think we're gonna call it quits on this one. I'll see you down there. This reminds us of Lauterbrunnen Valley in Switzerland when you get outside of this town. Beautiful little community. Fantastic place to live if you're into the Swiss or Austrian Alpine lifestyle. Look at this clear spring water. Another great trail to walk if you're here in Hallstatt is the Mellerweg Trail to the Waterfall, which from this point is about 30 minutes. We've been hiking for about 45 already, more than halfway there. But yeah, so we'll see what the waterfall's like.
Oh, I'm jumping this. It is like freezing cold.
Well, it's our final day here in Hallstatt. We are leaving on a ferry as we speak. It's almost a private ferry. There's only one other couple on here. Usually it holds about 180 people, so having a little private ferry, but I thought I would capture Hallstatt on the way out because it's a beautiful town, especially from the waters. Goodbye, Hallstatt. It was a blast. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.